Hi everyone, my name is Eric and I'm going to be teaching you how to make a caipirinha. Caipirinha is a traditional Brazilian cocktail made of muddled lime, sugar, and cachaça. Begin by cutting the ends off of both sides. Then we cut the lime in half, and then half again. After we've cut our lime into quarters, remove the albedo out of the center. That's this white part right here. Once we've removed the albedo, we can juice it into the cup and then just drop the skins inside. We add our sugar, then muddle the limes. After we've muddled the limes, we add our cachaça. Ice. Now that we've added the ice, we'll stir. And enjoy.